Hi, this is my table that I created for myself to help me track my progress in finishing one of the projects. So I set a goal for me to finish one of my project within the year, and I decided to create this tracker so that I can see how many uh, stitches or percent I need to accomplish within the month or week or day, and I'm sharing this table with you. Maybe that will be helpful. So let me show you how it works. Basically, when you open the link that I shared, you will get and will access my file, but it is protected from editing. You won't be able to put your data here. You need to do a copy. So here I have an Ukrainian, but the first option will be file, and there will be a copy. So you need to do a copy of this file, and that will create another file for you, and it will be stored and saved on your Google Drive. So make a copy. I think that if you use Google Drive, you will be able to do that. So you will get another file that is only yours, and only you can access and see it, and you can make corrections here. Let me show you how the actual form works. It contains 3 tabs depending on how you would like to track your progress, by month, by weeks, or by days. It works the same way. Yeah, just the milestones are different. What you need to do, you need to fill out these 4 cells that are marked in a bold border. Your start date, let's say today is 10 of September, and yes, you need to put a date first, then months, and then year. And for example, I would like to finish my project within the year. As you can see, that this form calculates how many weeks is in this period, and it pre-fills a date for you for each week, so that you can track where you are on this date. Then you need to put a start amount. Let's say you are working with a percent and you have 25% done, and you would like to finish and have 100%. And the table calculates for each week how many percent you need to do so that you complete your project by this date. Then this column is for you to put your progress, and you enter which amount you actually stitched. Let's say I stitched 26%, then 30%, and 35%, and so on. This column is not used now because this switcher apply correction is set to no. That means that the goal will be all along the same, and you just keep tracking by yourself, so that you can see here you are ahead a bit and here you are behind. You won't use this column. If you switch here to apply correction yes, what would happen? Let's start from the beginning. So as you can see, it sets the amount per week, this actually amount per week that you need to stitch every week. And now when you put your actual amount, the form will adjust and correct your goal and the amount per week. Let's say first week I didn't do well, and I stitched, so I didn't stitch anything, I still on 25%. As you can see, the next amount per week increased. And let's say I was lazy and I didn't stitch the second week, and as you can see, again the amount is corrected. Then let's imagine that I did my best and I'm on 40%. As you can see, the amount decreased. This is how it works, so it more agile, and it calculates each time, corrects the amount that you need to stitch. In order to add more, to do the amount more precise, you can use this switcher. So you can add, I don't know how it's called, the numbers after the dot, right? And the same vice versa. So it works basically the same for days and months. The only difference is that you will track each day here and each month here. Let's say I would like to the same. Today is 10th of September and I would like to finish something by the end of September. How many days we have in September? 30, I believe. And let's put in stitches. So let's say I've already done 100 stitches and the full project is 1500. So yeah, as you can see, it calculates per day and how many days. And yeah, as you can see, it is not enough. The formula is not populated further and it stops at 17th of September. What you can do, you can select 3 or 4 pre-filled cells, and here you can see the dot, so you should drag using this dot, holding the left button of the mouse, right? And you can drag whatever, how much you need. So our goal was 1500 and it is a little bit too much. So the same, if it is too much, you can just delete. Yeah, and as you can see, it calculates how many stitches you need to stitch each day, and you can fill out your progress. In the same way, if it set to no, it will not correct. If you set to yes, it will correct. Yeah, and the same here, you need just to propagate further. And now if you start filling out, it will correct your amount per day. So it increases, and then if you're good, it will decrease. And the same for months. So yeah, that's it. Hope it will helpful. If I didn't explain enough, if anything was not clear, or if you notice any mistakes here, or if you have suggestions for further improvements of this form, please let me know. Yeah, thank you. Bye.